When you're cooking, you can make little recipe cards so your children can help you, and that helps them practice their pre-reading skills. So here I've listed the macaroni and cheese recipe. I have pot, water, pasta with little pictures so the children can identify it, buttermilk, and the cheese packet. So I can give it to Helena and she can check off the things that she's getting as she helps me cook. So Helena, what's the first thing we have right here? Do you know what that is?
Pot.
Yep, there's a picture of a pot. That's a pot. Can you go get a pot? And then you can check it off. Good work. Pot starts with P. P-O-T. Do you want to go fill it up for what's the next thing, do you think?
Water.
Good job. Go ahead and fill it up with some water. For older kids, you could have them help you write out the recipe, or you could, this is a very simple one with just the list of items that she's just going to check off, because kids love using the clipboard and checking off. And the more you do it, they'll start identifying the words with the picture, just getting them on their way towards reading. And older children, you can add measurements, can help you work on math as well.